Hello and thank you to all our subscribers once again. You're welcome to DANNYCOM channel. If today is the first time you are watching this channel, please click on the subscription button and hit on the notification bell so that anytime a video is posted, as I do always say, you will be notified on the updates that we have posted. You know, on DANNYCOM channel, we do nothing but the step-by-step way of helping you solve your issues with regards to technology, social media, your security, and many more. If you have not subscribed, please click on the subscription button you see below down there and then share our videos as well. Anytime you share a video on this channel, what you are doing is that you are partnering with us to also help educate the general public on issues that people may not have idea or knowledge about. And so all you can do is to share every single video that we post on this channel. You can help us by sharing the video to reach as many as you can, so that we can educate ourselves together in this era that a lot of cyber crimes are going on. In today's video, without wasting much more time, I'm going to show you something simple. The first thing is I'm going to ask you a question. The first thing I'm going to do is to ask you a question. When you feel like your account is hacked, how do you behave, or how do you react when you feel like your WhatsApp account is hacked? All right. So this video is for all those who feel like their account is hacked or is tampered with. All right. And so first and foremost, what I'm going to teach you is that anytime your account, that is your WhatsApp account, is hacked, this video is for WhatsApp users. Anytime your WhatsApp is hacked, don't be in a hurry to report the issue or your number to WhatsApp for investigation. Don't be in a hurry. What you can simply do is that first you have to uninstall your WhatsApp. Uninstall your WhatsApp from your phone. Make sure that there is no traces. If possible, go to your memory card or your internal memory, delete everything with regards to WhatsApp, clear everything from your phone. All right. So after clearing everything from your phone, go back to your Play Store or even your App Store. Go and download a fresh WhatsApp application and then install it on your mobile device. Okay, after installing your new WhatsApp on your mobile device, this is what you are going to do. The number that they hacked into, that same number, you are going to log in onto the new WhatsApp that you have installed. And so you just logged in, or you go to the sign in and then enter that same mobile phone number. And then when you enter the mobile phone number, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your mobile phone. It will be sent to your mobile phone. Make sure that the number that you provided, that you are using that to sign in, whenever they send SMS, you have, or you are the rightful owner of that mobile phone number, and so you will get access to the 6-digit PIN. Okay, so when you get access to the 6-digit PIN, what you are going to do is that you just confirm by entering that 6-digit PIN. As soon as you enter the 6-digit PIN, the person who hacked your account has been logged out from his mobile phone. All right, but then the issue here is, if that person, after he was successful in hacking your account, he activated a 2-step verification on the WhatsApp account that you may, or you did not initially set it up on your machine or on your phone, then you won't be able to have access to the WhatsApp for about 7 days. Let me say about 7 days. Okay, but remember, as soon as you sign in with your number, okay, and then you got that 6 verification code, and then you entered it into the WhatsApp platform, and then they ask you for verification code and you couldn't provide, means that the person is still using your phone, your number. No, as soon as you enter the 6 verification code into the WhatsApp, that person who hacked your account has been, or was kicked out. Okay, and so at that point, he is no more having access to your WhatsApp, he is no more having access to your contacts, and he's not chatting your family and friends and whatsoever. But then, because of the 2-step verification that he has on the account, you won't be able to also have access to the WhatsApp platform immediately. So you wait for about 7 days, and then you logged in again, and there you go, you have access to your WhatsApp successfully. Don't be in a hurry to report the issue to WhatsApp. to investigate or do further checks as to why your number was hacked. If you don't take care, they will even block your number, and then you won't have access to WhatsApp again. Thank you very much for watching this short video. Share to educate somebody. Make sure that anytime your account is hacked, you don't rush in doing things in a haste. Thank you. Share this video to educate somebody as well, and have a nice day. This is DANNYCOM. If you want more information about concerning us, you can visit our blog site as well, www.dannycom.org. www.dannycom.org. You will be able to see all of our services and then all the things that we have been doing, information regarding social media and technology. You will be able to have a look at all of them, and have a nice day.